Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, January 21st, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, I'm sorry I'm getting this out a little late today. Just had a lot of things to do. But anyway, we had kind of a very lukewarm to crappy day. Uh, but that happens all the time. It wasn't very exciting either. Uh, the Dow lost 152 points today. You can see it open pretty neutral. Looks like it may have hit positive just once during the first 15 minutes. It was negative for the rest of the day and pushed down pretty hard the last couple of hours, officially closing down 152 points. So it wasn't a very good day for the Dow either. We closed out our 8 positions with negative $3,500. That was slightly better than what we were holding last Friday, but it was disappointing because we started out right after the open up a couple $1,000. So again, we saw our positions decline between the time the market opened and when we finally closed everything out. So it just was overall a pretty disappointing day. I'll show you a couple of those disappointments. This is the first one. Now we actually made money on this. This is PBYI, and that is Puma Technology. And we actually had bought this last Thursday for the first time, closed out Friday with a $3,000 profit on Friday. Got re-entered and then it closed positively on Friday for us. This was a blow off of the move right this morning, first 30 minutes. And when Puma was up here, it was up over $4,000 for us. So obviously that would have been a great place to exit. Unfortunately, the last 15-minute bar here where we're going to get out of this thing, it just collapsed. So we saw $4,000 plus in profit go to $1,600. So that was the first kick in the butt this morning for us. And then I'll show you another disappointment. This is Degas, which is inverse natural gas. We bought this right as soon as we could this morning. We buy the gaps, and this thing was doing really well here. Up, I think we're probably up close to $4,000. Maybe we were over $4,000 up here at the top. But then the last 90 minutes, this thing just kind of fell apart. And so we're still holding $2,000 in inverse natural gas. But, this sell off toward the end of the day was disappointing. So, hey, that's just trading. We didn't have a very good day, but it certainly wasn't a disaster. Well, I should mention we are. I don't think I mentioned we are holding 8 positions, 5 positive, 3 negative, and we're up a whopping $76 going into tomorrow. That's our only positive for the day. Anyway, this is Trader Bob signing off. I'll see you tomorrow on Wednesday.